Okay, now we will continuing evaluating indefinite integrals using the law number 4, 5, 6, and 7 of antiderivatives. In law number 4, we know that the integral of xn dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus our arbitrary constant c. Our n is our exponent. Okay, applying in our example, if we integrate y raised to 4 dy, 4 is our exponent, so our n is equals to 4. So, y raised to 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus our arbitrary constant c. By simplifying, 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So, we will get the integral of y raised to 4 dy is equals to, may imaginary 1 dito, 1/5 y to the 5th plus our arbitrary constant c. Another example, the integral of fifth root of x to the third dx is equals to, simplify muna natin yung given, so we will get the integral of x 3 to the 5th, because we know that the to the 5th, x to the third, we'll get 3 over 5. Diba, pag the square root of x, you know that it's x raised to 1 half. To 1 half, diba? So, because it's fifth root of x to the third, so we will have 3 over 5. Ito yon, exponent ng ating x. So, if we integrate x raised to 3 over 50x, we will get our n here, or our exponent is 3 over 5. So, add 1, we will get 8/5. So, by simplifying, we will get x raised to 8 over 5 over 8 over 5 plus c. May imaginary 1 dito, 1 divided by 8 over 5, we will get 5 over x raised to 8 over 5. By simplifying this, dahil mas malaki na sa loob, 8, diba? 8. Apply natin yung law of exponent. 5 plus 3 to, pag multiply natin yung dalawa, magiging addition yung exponent nila. So, makakancel yung 5, we will get 5 over 8 x, fifth root of x to the third plus c. Next, if we integrate x raised to 3/4 dx, it is equals to, our n is 3/4. So, 3/4 plus 1, 3/4 plus 1 plus our arbitrary constant c is equals to 7 over 4 plus c. So, may imaginary 1 ulit ditong isa. 1 divided by 7 over 4 will get 4 over 7. Then, the fourth root of x raised to 7 plus our arbitrary constant c. Simplify ulit natin to. Law of exponent, pag pinag-multiply, ang exponent niya is pag-addend. So, dahil ni 7, 4 plus 3. I-cancel ulit yung 4. So, we will get that the integral of x raised to 3/4 dx is equals to 4 over 7x, then the fourth root of x to the third plus arbitrary constant c. In our law number 5, we know that the integral of a, our constant, f of x dx is equals to, ilabas natin yung a, our constant, Then, integrate natin yung sa loob, f of x dx. Okay, try natin sa example. Integral of 7x to the 50x, ilalabas natin yung 7. Then, integrate natin yung x to the 5th dx. So, we will get x to the 5th plus 1 over 5 plus 1 since our n is equals to 5. Our exponent is 5 plus our arbitrary constant c. By simplifying, 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So, 7 divides 6, 7 over 6, x to the 6 plus our arbitrary constant c. Another example. Okay, if we integrate 1 half x, the square root of x dx, ayusin muna natin ulit yung given. Since ito, pwede natin siya express as x 1 half. 1 half. So, in this, we will express our given in the integral of 1 half x 1 half dx. Then, integrate na natin. Ilabas natin yung 1 half. Then, x 1 half, our exponent here is 1 half. So, by integrating x 1 half plus 1 over 1 half, since our exponent is 1 half, so our n is equals to 1 half plus 1 plus our arbitrary constant c. So, 1 half divided by 3 halves, we will get 1/3. Then, 1 half plus 1 is equals to 3 halves. So, 1/3 x raised to 3 halves plus c. Mas malaki ulit yung nasa loob kaysa sa nasa labas. Diba 2 lang dito sa labas? 2 lang yun. So, simplify ulit natin. Law of exponent. May 1 dito. Kasi 2 plus 1, 3. Kakancel tong 2. So, we will get 1/3 x the square root of x plus our arbitrary constant c. Another example. If we integrate x to the third over 3 the fourth root of x to the third dx, may imaginary 1 dito. Then, alabas natin which is 1/3. Then, law of exponent dito, pag-divide, pagmaminusin natin yung exponent. So, 3 minus negative 3/4, we will get 9/4. So, since our exponent here is 9/4, our n is equals to 9/4. By continuing integrating our given, 1/3 multiply x 9/4 plus 1, 9/4 plus 1 plus arbitrary constant c, we will get 9/4 plus 1 is equals to 13 over 4. Then, 1/3 divided by 13 over 4 is equals to 4 over 39x raised to 13 over 4 plus arbitrary constant c. Simplifying again this by using law of exponent, 13 yun, diba? So, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1 is 13. Sakto. Then, ika-cancel lang natin. We will get 9/4 over 39 times x to the third, then the square root of x plus our arbitrary constant c. Yan. In our law number 6, it is addition. So, expand muna natin ang given. Magiging 3x plus 5, then 3x plus 5. Ito yun. Then, apply FOIL method. First, 3x times 3x, 9x squared. Outer, 3x times 5, 15x. Inner, 5 times 3x, 15x. Plus, last, 5 times 5, 25 dx. Then, simplifying, 9x squared, 15, since parehas sila, 15x plus 15x is equals to 30x plus 25 dx. Then, integrate na natin sila. 9x squared dx plus 30x dx plus the integral of 25 dx. Then, ilalabas natin yung 9, yung 30, and then yung 25. Ito na yun. Then, applying law number 4, we will get x to the third 2 plus 1, exponent na 2 plus 1, plus 2 plus 1, plus arbitrary constant of the first term, plus 30, x natin, may imaginary 1 siya na exponent, plus 1, plus 2x squared over 2 plus arbitrary constant of second term. The integral of dx is x. So, 25 times x, 25x plus arbitrary constant of the third term. Simplifying, 9 divided 3 is 3. So, 3x to the third. 30 divided 2, 15. So, 15x squared. Then, simplifying, we will get 3x to the third here. Then, 15x squared plus 25x plus our arbitrary constant, C. Last, our law number 7, subtraction. We will use again the FOIL method. First, 7 times 25 is 175 x squared. Outer, 7 times negative 10, negative 70x. Inner, 25x times negative 11, negative 275x times last, plus our last, negative 11 times negative 10 is positive 110 dx. Simplifying, negative 70x minus 275x, we will get negative 345x. We will now integrating our given. The integral of 175x squared dx minus the integral of 345x dx plus the integral of 110 dx. Labas natin yung 175, 345, and 110. So, we will get then we will continuing evaluating our given using law number 4. We will integrate that. So, x squared plus 1, since our n exponent is 2, then our n is equals to 2. Here, our exponent is 1, imaginary 1. So, in second term, our n is equals to 1. In third term, we will just integrating dx, so we will get x. We will get, then we will multiply that in 110. So, we will get 110x. Simplifying, we will get 175x to the third over 3 plus arbitrary constant of the first term minus 345x 1 plus 1, 2 over 2 plus arbitrary constant in the second term plus 110x plus arbitrary constant of the third term. So, by simplifying our given, we will get that the integral of 7x minus 11 times 25x minus 10 dx is equals to 175 over 3x to the third minus 345 over 2x squared minus 110x plus our arbitrary constant, C. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching and God bless.